In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur or pixelate a license plate in Photoshop. Whether you're sharing photos online or prepping images for a project, protecting personal details like a license plate is really important. By the end of this video, you'll know how to cleanly and effectively hide a license plate, no matter your skill level. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is select the license plate itself. Now, Photoshop has several tools for making selections, but the lasso tool is perfect for this job because license plates are usually simple shapes. Find the lasso tool over in your toolbar. It looks a bit like a rope, and click to activate it. Then, simply click and drag around the license plate, roughly following its edges. Don't worry about being too precise. You want to include the whole plate, and you can always redo the selection if needed. Think of it like outlining a sticker you want to cut out. Take your time here. Getting the whole plate in your selection will make your blur or pixelation look much more natural. Now, before we apply any effect, let's soften the edge of our selection. This helps to avoid any harsh, unnatural lines between the plate and the rest of the image. With the license plate still selected, go up to the menu and click Select, then Modify, and choose Feather. Feathering adds a bit of a fade or softness around your selection. Try setting it between 10 and 20 pixels. This value perfectly balances a clean look without making the effect spill out too far. If you're working with a high-resolution photo, lean toward the higher end. For smaller images, a lower value should work just fine. Imagine feathering as gently smudging the edge, kind of like blending your shading with your finger in a pencil drawing. Let's move on to blurring. With your selection and feather in place, go up to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. This filter is amazingly simple. It spreads the pixels out, making details within the plate unreadable. Adjust the radius slider and watch how the plate gets softer. Usually, setting the radius somewhere between 10 and 30 will do the trick, but it really depends on your image. The higher the number, the more anonymous the plate becomes. Play with the slider and preview the result until you're happy. Just make sure no numbers or letters are visible. Don't worry if it looks a little too strong at first. You can always undo and try a smaller value. If you'd rather create a pixelated effect instead of a blur, you can do that too. Go to Filter, Pixelate, and choose Mosaic. Now, instead of softening, this effect chops the plate up into little colored squares, making it look like classic privacy pixelation. Adjust the cell size. Larger cells mean bigger squares and more privacy, but if the cells are too small, numbers might still sneak through. Find a balance where the plate is completely obscured, but looks tidy on your image. Pixelation is great if you want a more digital or stylized look. Once you're satisfied with your blur or pixelation, let's finish up by deselecting. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on Mac. This removes the selection outline, so you can see your photo as a whole. Take a moment to check your work. If you see edges that stand out or the effect looks odd, you can always redo the selection and try again. Learning to adjust both feathering and your effect settings is key to getting a result that looks professional. And there you have it. You've just learned how to blur or pixelate a license plate in Photoshop. Simple, effective, and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with another photo editing challenge. And if you want more hands-on Photoshop guides, hit subscribe so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching.